How to start an online business. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. 1. Conduct market research. Conducting market research is an essential step in starting and growing a successful online business. Market research involves gathering and analyzing information about your potential customers, your competitors, and the market you plan to enter. The main objective of market research is to gain insights that will help you make informed decisions about your business strategy. By conducting market research, you can determine the size of your target audience, identify their needs and preferences, and evaluate the potential demand for your product or service. To conduct market research, you can use various methods, such as surveys, interviews, focus groups, and online tools like Google Trends or social media analytics. It is important to analyze the data gathered and identify patterns and trends that can inform your business decisions. 2. Develop a business plan. Developing a business plan is an essential step in starting an online business. A business plan outlines your goals, strategies, and tactics for achieving success and helps you stay focused on your objectives. It is a comprehensive document that outlines all aspects of your business, including your mission statement, target market, products or services, marketing strategies, financial projections, and more. The plan should also include a budget and financial projections to help you determine the funding needed to start and run your business. 3. Choose a business name and register your domain. Choosing a business name and registering your domain are important steps in starting an online business. Your business name should be unique, memorable, and easy to spell. It should also reflect your brand identity and convey what your business offers. Once you have chosen a name, it is important to check its availability and register it. You can do this by conducting a search on a domain registrar website, or hiring a trademark attorney to conduct a comprehensive search. Once you have chosen your business name and confirmed its availability, you should register your domain name. Your domain name is your website's address and should be easy to remember and relevant to your business. It is important to register your domain name as soon as possible to prevent someone else from taking it. To register your domain, you can use a domain registrar website, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. 4. Build your website. Building a website is a crucial step in starting an online business. Your website serves as the online storefront for your business and provides a platform for customers to learn about your products or services, make purchases, and interact with your brand. When building your website, there are several key factors to consider. First, you should choose a website builder that suits your needs and technical expertise. Popular website builders include WordPress, Squarespace, and Wix. Once you have chosen a website builder, you should select a theme or template that reflects your brand identity and meets your business needs. Your website should be visually appealing, user-friendly, and optimized for mobile devices. Additionally, you should ensure that your website is secure and includes an SSL certificate to protect customer data. You should also integrate various marketing and sales tools into your website. 5. Set up payment and shipping options. Setting up payment and shipping options is a critical step in starting an online business. Customers expect a seamless purchasing experience, and providing multiple payment and shipping options can help ensure customer satisfaction and increase sales. When setting up payment options, you should consider the most popular methods, such as credit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay, and ensure that they are secure and easy to use. You may also want to offer financing options, such as payment plans or credit lines, to make your products or services more accessible to customers. Additionally, you should decide on your shipping options and rates. This includes determining shipping carriers, calculating shipping costs, and specifying delivery times. That's it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.